An incredibly detailed wood carving inlaid with small gemstones depicting a vicious warg. A musty old tome that reads Kharidian Encounters, a factual recounting. When you read it, it's full of prediction.
The tome is...
Kharidian Encounters, a
Do I
factual
know
recounting.
what Kharidian is?
Yes, it is the largest desert on this continent.
Oh, really?
Mhm.
And I actually am very interested in that.
Cool.
I opened it up.
It looks like someone's factual recounting on their adventures. It's a hobbit's tale, essentially. You know what I mean?
I've heard of such.
There and back again through the shitty desert.
Well, he says, well, I have a matching pair of bloodstone earrings you might be interested in. And you're wearing your armor, right? Or not? You're wearing your fancy clothes.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, he mentions it anyways. They're a little bit cheaper. This would be on the order of 5 gold total for both of them. They're quite, they definitely look ornate, beautiful. It's like $500 set of earrings, right? They're quite nice. He says, yes, these are from the great desert of Kharidia itself.
Oh, dude. Yeah, and Vari's all like, yay.
My great-great-great-grandfather once set upon an expedition there.
I pull out the book. I'm like, what could it possibly be? He? I show him the book.
He gives you an eyebrow and looks at it. Ooh! What is this? Halfling script?
Yeah, and I kind of hand him the book, like, yeah.
By the gods!
Came about it.
Where did you get this? Where did you get this? This is quite a marvelous piece you have. A lost treasure of history. The man that he followed into the expedition. So his great-great-great-grandfather was a companion to this gentleman. And this is like lost history written in the hand of the expedition's leader. From his perspective, he says, yes, my great-great-great-grandfather has his own recollections and memoirs written in a book. There and back again. A halfling's tale. Kharidian Encounters. But this is magnificent. Surely you have no need for this. This is history for my people. Perhaps we could make a deal.
Perhaps the trade is in order.
Indeed.
How much is it, well, how much is it worth to you?
My friend, it is worth, well, it's priceless to me, to be honest. I wouldn't sell you it any other way. So perhaps...
I just smile and I look at the blue azure gemstone or whatever.
I didn't even get your name, madam. They're going to want to write it down in the history books. You're the one who found this lost piece of halfling history.
Call me, the name's Drunker Tom. No, I'll just say, Vahari Laurel.
Excellent, excellent. Yeah, he shakes your hand if you wish to once more.
Yes, I shake it.
All right, well, I'm closing down shop. And then you get to see his horrible look on his face as he realizes he cannot leave the island. Last, foiled again.